Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to start your own Clash Royale clan and how to attract new members to your clan. So you can see here, this is the main screen, I guess, for Clash Royale. I'm in no clan at the moment. So if I swipe one screen to the right, and then down the bottom, search or create a new clan, and I go show, and right down the bottom there is create new, so I'll click on that. And there we go. The first step then for creating your own clan is to come up with a clan name. And I like to use some sort of a catchy or descriptive name that encourages people to join your clan. And I'm going to call it Best Clan and to join. I take two. And JOIN, best clan to join, and you're only allowed 15 characters in the clan names, and I've used up all 15 characters, and hopefully by making it best clan to join, that'll encourage people to join my clan. You can do any badge. I don't think that really matters. You can browse there for different badges, but I won't worry about that. Okay, so in the description section then, you need to put an enticing clan statement in your description section, and obviously something that's going to encourage people to join your clan. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to say join now, and be promoted. Oops, too many letters there. Promoted to and elder. Straight away. So anybody that joins, you're going to promote them to elder straight away, and that by doing that, that'll encourage people to join your clan if they know they're going to get an instant promotion. And we might say family friendly clan, just to say that it's for everybody to join, kids or adults. Family friendly clan. Yep, full stop. And what else? Say everyone welcome. Everyone welcome, and I might put a few exclamation points after that, and maybe just say join now. Join now, and another exclamation point, or maybe 3. So there we go. I put an enticing clan name for people to encourage people to join, and then I've got an enticing description there in the clan statement for people to encourage people to join. And leave it open is the type. That means that it's available for anybody to join. Required trophies, leave that at 0, because then you're not restricting anybody to join your clan. And then location international, so it's not just one country specific, so you're allowing everybody to join. And then costs you 1,000 coins to create your own clan, which is nothing. And there we go. I've created a clan, and you can see there that I am the leader of the clan, and there's only one member at the moment. So what I need to do now is I need to attract new members. Okay, so it's been about 3 days since I started this clan, and I've got 8 members. So I've got myself and 7 other people that are now part of this clan. So I've got a couple of friends to join. And I've asked a couple. I've got my second account and another friend to join. And I've also got 5 people that, 5 randoms, 5 people that I don't know, that I've got to join my clan. And I've done that by playing lots of battles and inviting any opponents to my clan that are showing as no clan. So I'll show you what that means. If we go over here into, this is the main screen, and up on this little top right hand corner and onto activity log, you can see all your battles that you've had recently, and you can see there that the last battle I've had against Michaeli SS is showing there as no clan. So once you see that you've playing against somebody that says no clan, then as soon as you finish the battle, go into this activity log, click on that person, click on view profile, and there you get a chance to hit the invite button and invite that person to your clan. So I'd encourage you to do that if you're trying to build your clan, and encouraging other people that you don't know to join your clan. So I'll hit invite, and there it says invite sent successfully. So hopefully that person will join our clan. So that's two good ways of getting people to join your clan, either through inviting friends or by playing battles and inviting people that are not currently in a clan to join your clan. Okay, so it's been about 6 days now since I started the clan, and I've got 9 members in my clan. So it often can be sort of a long and slow process to attract new members to your clan, but it's worthwhile. You just got to put in a bit of effort, and you will attract new members to your clan. If we go over here into the comment section and the request and donation section, you can see there that I've welcomed new members to my clan as they've joined. I've promoted them all to Elder, which is promised in my clan statement. And I've also, down here, I've got a message to them encouraging them to invite other people to the clan. Obviously, if they're playing against anybody with no clan, from a no clan, then I've encouraged them there to invite them to the clan. So, making sure that they realise that they can invite other people. And you can see there that the donation and the request section is fairly active, which is good. And any ones that I haven't donated to, then I donate to make sure that everybody feels part of the clan, and they're receiving cards, and they get a chance to donate cards as well. And once I get to 10 members, I've only got 9 at the moment, but once I get to 10 members, then I can participate in the clan wars, which is what I will do. And once you get into the clan wars, then you need to encourage everybody in your clan to participate in the clan wars. And then it's also important to make sure that your clan stays active and kick out any members that become inactive, and you'll show there in either. It'll show there either as an orange or a red, and how many days they've been inactive. So everybody's still active, which is good. And you'll find if you have a lot of inactive members in your clan, you'll have difficulty attracting new members to your clan if a lot of the players are inactive, and you'll have trouble keeping people to stay as well if they looking around in their clan and they realise that a lot of the players are inactive. They'll leave and join a more active clan. Okay, well, I think I've covered all the points then about how to start a new clan and attract new members. So hopefully you can give that a go and start your own clan, and you can create a successful, active clan, and that you can be the leader of. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.